how to edit and change your password on Godaddy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change your Godaddy password. First open your browser and now click account settings and click my profile, and now scroll down and here you will find login and pin. And here we'll find password, click edit, and now just click current password. Just type here your current password and type here your new password and type again your new password and then save it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.